If I tell you that I have been on this Akara Egusi recipe since last year, you better believe me. I have had so many failed attempts and I'm happy that I have finally gotten it right and I want to share the recipe with you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we are making Robo or Akara Egusi like some people like to refer to it. It is made from Egusi. It is a snack popular in Ogun State, Ijebu. Can be eaten on its own, paired with pap or gari. To make akara egusi, you're going to need melon seeds. I'll put the list of ingredients with measurements in the description box. Make sure the seeds are clean. What you need to do is toast the melon seeds on low heat in a dry pan, of course, and keep stirring so the seeds don't get burnt. I have to mention that I have searched for this recipe all over the internet with no luck, and I'm wondering why has anyone not shared this recipe and why are the people who make it gatekeeping the recipe? Once the seeds are lightly brown and well toasted like this, we'll let them cool completely and then transfer into a blender to blend smoothly. You will blend till it looks like a thick paste, just like you would for when you want to make kuli and you blend your peanuts. That is what we want to achieve and you will see the result very soon. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, I share recipes, authentic Nigerian recipes like this. So if that's something that you like, you may want to subscribe so you can see more. I already have a lot of that on my channel. So after this video, you can go through the others. Now done with blending, as you can see the paste is really thick and you can see how shiny it is. That's the oil from the melon. So just like we do for kuli, I'm going to add cold water in bits. Cold water because the melon just came out of the blender and it's still quite hot. You may be wondering why I keep talking about kuli. That's just because the process for making robo, that's akara egusi, and kuli are quite similar. So I kept adding water tablespoon by tablespoon and continued stirring. And as I continued to mix, you will see that the paste became thicker, started to change color. So in case you want to learn how to make yummy kuli, I'll put the recipe in the description box as well so you can see it. After mixing this for a while, I figured that the oil wasn't coming out on its own, which was what I expected. So I devised a means, which was passing the paste into this cheesecloth and pressing out the oil. It was quite a bit of work, but I was willing, really willing to get over and done with this recipe. It's been such a long time. So I just kept pressing and pressing it. And as you can see, the oil started to come first in bits and there you have it. I had quite some amount of oil. It is important to press out the oil so that the robo can really form when you fry. If you don't press out the oil, what you will have is the robo scattering inside the oil. Alright, after pressing out enough oil, I added blended onion, some ground pepper and a bit of salt. I will mix this thoroughly to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Then you can begin to roll with your hand just like I'm doing. Just take a bit of it, form a nice ball, a small ball, roll on your palm. You don't even need to oil your palm because egusi already is oily. So as I rolled into tiny balls, I dropped in the oil. I should mention also that I'm frying on low to medium heat. Just keep tossing them around. I had to use vegetable oil to fry because I did not get enough oil from the melon seeds. Frying this took about 10 minutes and this is what I have. Robo looking so cute. And this is the first robo recipe on the internet because I have searched everywhere. I did not find any. This was so satisfying given that I've been wanting to make this for a long time. So if you like robo or if you call it akara egusi, this is how you can make it at home. Thank you everyone for watching this recipe. If you have not subscribed or liked this video, kindly do that before you leave. I will see you very soon with another recipe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.